A very warm welcome, students. Today we are going to learn report writing. Report writing is very important because it's in the syllabus of class 11th as well as 12th, and it carries 10 marks. Let's see what report writing is all about. What is a report? Report is a description of an event or incident that happened in the recent past. It is a well-organized and systematic presentation of facts and findings of an event that has already taken place. Let's look at some of the guidelines for writing report. First-hand information is given, which means that the reporter is supposed to have himself or herself collected the information. Passive voice is used. What happened or the action is given more importance than the doer. Since reports are descriptions of events of the recent past, therefore, use of simple past tense, present perfect tense, past perfect tense is done. Use of present and future tenses is done to mention the action being taken and future course of action. Journalistic language is used. Use of personal pronouns to be avoided. Personal pronouns such as I, we, you, us, etc. is to be avoided, and reports are written in third person. Structuring of content is done in logical and sequential order, which means that the facts are to be laid down in chronological order. What happened first will be mentioned first. Conclusion is supported by evidence and analysis. You want to know how many marks does a report carry? Well, it carries 10 marks. One for format, that includes headline and byline. Content carries 4 marks and expression carries 5 marks. Expression means grammatical accuracy, appropriate words and spellings, coherence and relevance of ideas and style. There are 2 kinds of reports that you may be asked to write. The format for writing these 2 reports is only slightly different. So the 2 kinds of reports are magazine report and newspaper report. Let's see. First of all, we'll see the format for magazine report. Headline. Headline should be short yet expressive of the content, and it should be catchy. Catchy means one that is easy to remember or it catches your attention. Byline. Byline means the name of the reporter. So, please keep in mind that the headline should give you an idea of what the report is about, but it should be short. And byline is the name of the reporter. Then, opening paragraph. Opening paragraph should have what, when and where of the event. Then comes account of the event, which means how the whole event happened or further details about the event. And then the conclusion. Now we'll look at the format for newspaper report. Headline, as I said before, should be catchy, short and expressive. And then the byline, which means the name of the reporter. The opening paragraph should have these 3 details: what, when and where. The second paragraph is account of the event or how it happened. The difference that you'll find from the magazine report is that the newspaper report also gives an eyewitness account. Then the last paragraph is conclusion, or it may mention future course of action. In case of an accident or a crime, the future course of action is mentioned in the last paragraph. So the two things that make a newspaper report different from a magazine report are eyewitness account and future course of action. There are different kinds of reports. The reports may be about disasters, man-made disasters such as accident, crime, riot, violence, etc. Or the disasters may be natural, flood, earthquake, landslide, etc. The reports may also be about celebration and cultural activities. They may be about camps, exhibitions and events, drives, campaigns and rallies, seminars and workshops, or about sports. Okay, let's see some reports. Here is a report, a magazine report. Annual Day celebration. This is the headline. And the byline by Neha. The first paragraph gives you what, when and where. New Delhi, May 16th. Ellen Public Schools celebrated its annual day on May 16th. Srimati Latika Joshi, renowned Kathak dancer, graced the occasion with her presence as the chief guest. So you have these three informations in the first paragraph itself. Where, New Delhi, when, May 16, and what? Annual day celebration at Ellen Public School. The second paragraph is how, or further details of the event. The event began with the lighting of the lamp. The mesmerizing invocation song set the mood for a memorable evening. The school choir sang melodious songs that touched every heart. The glorious achievements of school were highlighted by the principal. The students who excelled in academics and co-curricular activities were awarded and motivated by the chief guest and the principal. The chief guest addressed the gathering by sharing her experiences and motivational thoughts. The guest of honor and the chairman of the school also encouraged and motivated the students. And now the last paragraph, that is the conclusion of the report. The school released its annual newsletter commemorating the achievements and activities of the school. It also showcased the literary acumen of the students. A vote of thanks was moved by the head girl. The event ended with the national anthem. Now we'll see a newspaper report. Devastating fire consumes crores. This is the headline. The byline is by Abhinav. That is the name of the reporter. So we'll start with where and when. New Delhi, May 5th, 2019. What? A devastating fire broke out in the crowded Paschim Vihar cloth market last evening that consumed crores. So you get the three informations in the first paragraph itself. In the second paragraph, you'll come to know how it happened. High-speed winds fanned the fire and it engulfed the entire market. 20 shops were gutted completely. Cloth worth crores was reduced to ashes. No casualties were reported, but many got burn injuries and were hospitalized. 10 fire tenders battled for 8 hours to bring the fire under control. Note the use of journalistic language in this report. In the third paragraph, note the eyewitness account. The cause of the fire has not been ascertained, but the people say, that is the eyewitnesses, the possible cause could be a short circuit. The shopkeepers are said to have incurred heavy losses. So this one paragraph makes it different from the magazine report. And the last paragraph is about action taken or the future course of action. The shopkeepers have demanded immediate aid as some of the shops are completely gutted by the fire. So students, this is all about report writing. Do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.